is there a way to get rid of morning glories permanently? They grow alongside of my vegetable garden and seem to smother it out as the summer goes on. Thanks. Yeah. This is Chrissy from southwestern Pennsylvania. So what do you think about that, Doc? Permanently.
Permanently.
Morning glories are tough.
Yeah, I don't know. Permanently, I don't know.
You know,
she just has to keep, and she's exactly right. This time of year, they're twining around everything. And you have to follow the vine back and find, I'm just go through and hand pull them up.
Right.
But you definitely want to do that before they set their seed.
Right.
And they have a pretty extensive root system. So sometimes you can't get all the roots, and I think they can come up from the roots.
And they're perennial, yeah.
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 So they're tenacious, and they are hard to control. And pre-merge, in the areas that you can put a pre-merge if you're not relying on germination of other plants.
That's a good point.
Right.
Because that's going to affect that as well. But
sure.
She just needs to be tenacious about it herself and just stay after them.
Yeah, it's going to be tough, Jordan, especially because it's growing alongside of vegetable garden. So you don't want to use,
Yeah, I was thinking you could spray something on it, but I thought, well, it's by the vegetable garden. She doesn't want to spray that on it.
Yeah.
Can you get is a weed eater out there? And
I thought a tractor with a bush hog, depending on how big it is.
Yeah, how big it is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
just
mow over
them, cut down. Yeah, I thought it too. I thought
we'll just cut as much of it as you can. Even if you went out, I don't know how large this is, but if it's only a 30-foot wide or a 20-foot wide garden, or even 10-foot, you could go along there with hand clippers and just cut them all off.
Right.
So there was that seed anyway.
Right. Or could
take
you
care of that.
wipe? Can you grab some of those and use the
could.
wipe technique with a glove?
You could, or the sponge technique.
Depending on the area.
Yeah, depending on the area.
Yeah.
I wonder if you can do that as well. To kind of slow it down, but
but it would slow it down, yes.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of carbohydrates for that, with that in the system, especially if it's been an ongoing problem for her, and she's just going to have to keep at it, and she might try the wipe technique with the glyphosates, and the more you can get rid of, the less that comes up. You just got to keep at it year after year. Yeah. And it's going to take several years.
Yeah, I use in my vegetable garden. Okay. Once I get things germinated, like my beans and squash, that's when I go back and put some kind of pre-emergent. Yeah. Get the garden all clean, get what you want germinated, and then put that out there. And that will slow it down from germinating with seed. Right. If it's roots there, it's not going to impact that at all. But she might look at that next year when she plants her vegetable garden, let everything get germinated, and then I always come back in with some product like Preen.
Preen, that's good.
Yeah, and it works pretty good.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.